Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, daytime running lights, front suspension classification, solid live axle, rear step bumper, fog lights, ambient lighting. Come take a test drive today.